Everybody says plastic, plastic, plastic. Plastic is not the villain. Okay, it is because of plastic in the World War first one and two and all that medicine, blood bags, it reached every corner of the earth, in natural disasters and all. So plastic has enabled that, because there's no other packaging where you can put blood and keep it at that temperature and send it across the world. So that is another thing people must understand. Everyone says ban the plastic, the plastic is not the thing. It is the way we are disposing of it that is the problem. And second, the use of plastic where it is not required, so that those sensibilities have to evolve. I think they will evolve with youngsters like you all I meet a lot in here and there everywhere. Your age group are more sensitive to the realities of pollution, so I think these solutions will emerge. But that is the way. Everyone says ban the plastic. Now single use plastic they have banned. You tell me, toothpaste, this, that, single use ही है ना. Babies diapers, all the menstrual pads, it will be used once, so where you buy one headphone, it will be in a plastic thing. You buy a charger, it will be. So there you remove the plastic, na. Don't say just ban the single use plastic. A lot of plastics are being used only once. So what is the microgram is not the issue. The issue is where the usage can be curtailed, where it should not be curtailed, medication, packaging, this, that. So these sensibilities and products have to emerge. And I think they will in time. They're a bit late already, but hopefully that will be the future solution.